Hello and hope you are having a great day. In today's short clip, we would be answering three main questions regarding intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting? How does intermittent fasting work? And how to start intermittent fasting? These are exceptionally beneficial if you are just starting out and planning to start intermittent fasting. Although it has plenty of benefits and it looks pretty simple, there are a few things to put into consideration if you are just starting out. Let's start with the basic question: what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a type of eating pattern that involves alternating periods of fasting and eating. During the fasting period, you refrain from consuming any calories, while during the eating period, you consume your usual meals and snacks. It is pretty simple. There is an allotted time in which you can eat your regular meals, and there is an allotted time in which you are supposed to be fasting. There are several different types of intermittent fasting, but the most common methods are the 16/8 method. In this method you fast for 16 hours straight, and eat only during an 8-hour window. The 5/2 method. In this method you eat normally for 5 days of the week and limit your calories to only 500 to 600 calories per day for 2 days. The alternate day of fasting method. In this method you don't consume any food for the entire day on one day and consume normal food the next day. You can use any of these three methods to start intermittent fasting. The next question is, how does intermittent fasting work? Intermittent fasting works by reducing your overall calorie intake, which can lead to a number of health benefits. Some of the benefits of intermittent fasting includes the following: weight loss. Intermittent fasting normally shall put your body in a calorie deficit state. This would help you burn more calories than you consume. With less calories coming in, the body will use the old stored fats as energy, helping you in weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels and helps reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting generally also helps to reduce sugar levels and reduce the workload on the liver and spleen. Reduce inflammation. With the current lifestyle, inflammation is getting more and more common. Inflammation or swelling up of various internal organs can increase the risk of heart diseases and cancer. Fasting can help reduce inflammation. Improved brain function. There have been reports showing that intermittent fasting helps improve brain functions and helps to prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. There are plenty other benefits of intermittent fasting. You can list out a few that you know of in the comments section below, but these 4 benefits should be enough to motivate you to start fasting. Now that you know enough comes the question: how to start with intermittent fasting? Getting started with intermittent fasting can be tricky. Most beginners start with the most common mistake of going hard and going fast. They wish to get the optimum benefits, so they start fasting directly and start with the maximum duration. Doing so will only make you super exhausted and lethargic. It would discourage you within just a few days. Not only would you fail to achieve your target, but also it would discourage you from trying again in the future. Instead, follow these 3 tips on intermittent fasting. Start slowly. If you are new to fasting, start with a shorter period of time. If you are really new and used to snacking, try fasting for an 8-hour period first and then gradually increase 1 hour every week. Keep yourself hydrated. You are allowed to drink water during intermittent fasting. In fact, it is recommended to drink more water during your fasting period. This would help you curb your appetite and keep you fresh. Consume enough calories. During your feeding period, it is important that you consume high-quality calories. Avoid consumption of sugary and oily food and drinks. Consume healthy foods so that your body still gets an adequate amount of vitamins and nutrients. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a type of eating pattern that can help you lose weight, improve your insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and improve your brain function. If you're interested in trying intermittent fasting, start slowly, stay hydrated, and consume healthy foods. One extra tip that we recommend beginners that are starting to do intermittent fasting is to consume spirulina supplement during their feeding period. Spirulina is an algae that is categorized as a superfood. It is packed with plenty of vitamins and minerals, and gram per gram it is super healthy compared to any other natural food source. Spirulina is also used by many institutions as their meal replacement. Spirulina is easily available in various health shops and pharmacies. However, we have included our favorite and most recommended spirulina supplement in our description. Consume spirulina twice a day, before you start your fast and at the end of the fast to help your body replace the nutrients required from your normal meal. By using spirulina to help you fast, you will not deprive your body from the nutrients it needs. You can use the link to purchase the product online directly. We have more health secrets coming up tomorrow. Hope this video helped you out and hope to see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.